In this video, we listed the 20 best amazing tools for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Knipex Tools. Knipex Tools is a renowned German manufacturer specializing in high-quality pliers and hand tools. Their products are known for precision, durability, and ergonomic design, making them a popular choice among professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Knipex 2-piece Cobra pliers set, 8701-180 and 8701-250, 003120V01 US, includes two adjustable water pump pliers, 7-inch and 10-inch, designed for superior gripping, self-locking functionality, and easy adjustment. The set features Knipex's signature push-button adjustment mechanism, providing a secure grip on various workpieces, including pipes, nuts, and bolts. These pliers are crafted from high-quality chrome vanadium electric steel, ensuring long-term durability and wear resistance. Given the user's interest in tools like chainsaws, soldering irons, mini planers, and other workshop equipment, this Knipex set would be a valuable addition to their toolkit. Product 2. Product name Works Nitro 20V SwitchDriver 2.0. The Works Nitro 20V SwitchDriver 2.0, WX177L, is a versatile 2-in-1 brushless cordless drill driver designed for efficient and precise drilling and driving tasks. It features rotatable dual 1/4 chucks, allowing users to switch between drill and driver bits seamlessly without the need for constant bit changes. This functionality makes it ideal for woodworking, home improvement, and DIY projects, aligning well with your interest in portable, high-performance tools such as the Blackcube cordless soldering iron, Jorgensen mini wood planer, and Deli electric chainsaw. With a compact and ergonomic design, the Works Nitro 20V SwitchDriver 2.0 offers enhanced maneuverability, making it suitable for tight spaces and extended use. The digital torque settings provide precision control, ensuring optimal performance while preventing over-tightening or stripping screws. The brushless motor technology improves power efficiency, extending the drill's runtime and lifespan, similar to how other cordless power tools like your cordless leaf blower and electric chainsaws leverage lithium-ion battery technology for sustained performance. Product 3. Product name Thread Checker. The Thread Checker is a practical tool designed to help users quickly and accurately identify the size and pitch of nuts and bolts. It is particularly useful for DIY enthusiasts, mechanics, and professionals who work with fasteners frequently. This tool includes 16 SAE, standard, and 15 metric sizes, allowing for a broad range of compatibility. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy and stainless steel, the Thread Checker ensures longevity and precision. It functions as a bolt size finder, making it easy to determine the correct thread size without guesswork. The compact design and clear labeling enhance usability, making it a must-have for anyone dealing with hardware, repairs, or construction projects. Given the user's interest in DIY tools, household appliances, and vehicle maintenance, the Thread Checker aligns well with their needs, whether for automotive repairs, woodworking, or assembling furniture and machinery. Product 4. Product name Setup Blocks Height Gauge Set. The Setup Blocks Height Gauge Set is a 15-piece precision aluminum setup bar set designed for woodworking applications, particularly for use with Reuters and table saws. These setup blocks allow for quick, accurate, and repeatable height adjustments when setting up cutting depths, fence positions, or bit heights. Each bar in the set features laser-engraved size markings for easy identification, ensuring precise measurements without the need for calipers or rulers. This setup is ideal for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts who require high accuracy when working on detailed projects. The durable aluminum construction ensures longevity and resistance to wear, making them a reliable addition to any workshop. These bars can be stacked or combined for custom measurements, further enhancing their versatility. Product 5. Product name Libreton 16 PCs Magnetic Nut Driver Set. The Liberton 16 PC's magnetic nut driver set is a versatile and practical toolset designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who require reliable long-reach nut drivers for impact drills. This 6-inch long nut driver set includes both metric and SAE sizes, making it suitable for a wide range of fastening applications. The 1/4 hex shank ensures compatibility with various power drills, impact drivers, and cordless screwdrivers. The set features magnetic tips that securely hold nuts and bolts, reducing the chances of dropping them during work. It includes long power bits in common sizes, along with PH1 and PH2 Phillips bits for additional versatility. The durable construction ensures longevity, and the included storage bag keeps the drivers organized for easy transport and storage. Product 6. Product name SKIL Twist 2.0. The SKIL Twist 2.0 rechargeable 4V screwdriver, ST5619-01, is a compact and versatile power tool designed for home and DIY use. It features a pivoting head, allowing users to switch between straight and pistol grip positions for enhanced control in tight spaces. The adjustable torque settings provide precision for different fastening tasks, making it ideal for assembling furniture, installing fixtures, and light-duty repairs. With USB-C charging, the 4V lithium-ion battery ensures convenience and faster recharging. The included 2-piece bit set allows for immediate use out of the box. Given the user's interest in power tools like cordless soldering irons, electric chainsaws, and portable workbenches, the SKIL Twist 2.0 would complement their toolkit as a handy, lightweight screwdriver for various household and workshop projects. Product 7. Product name Beveler 50 Pieces Leatherworking Tools. The Beveler 50 Pieces Leatherworking Tools and Supplies is a comprehensive kit designed for leathercraft enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals. This set includes essential tools for stitching, punching, cutting, and sewing leather, making it ideal for a wide range of leathercraft projects such as wallets, belts, bags, and repairs. The kit features a leather toolbox for organized storage, along with a variety of practical tools like prong punches, edge bevelers, wax ropes, needles, and other leatherworking essentials. These tools are crafted for durability and precision, ensuring clean cuts, strong stitches, and smooth edges. For users interested in DIY projects and crafting, this set provides everything needed to get started or enhance their leatherworking skills. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced leather artisan, the Beveler 50 Pieces Leatherworking Tools Kit is a versatile and valuable addition to any workshop. Product 8. Product name Auden Professional Edge Beveler. The Auden Professional Edge Beveler is a specialized tool designed for leather crafting, particularly for refining the edges of leather projects. This tool, marked as 1#, is ideal for professionals and hobbyists who want to achieve smooth, rounded edges on leather goods such as wallets, belts, and bags. Key features. Precision cutting. The Beveler helps remove sharp leather edges, creating a clean and polished look. High-quality construction, made with a durable steel blade and an ergonomic wooden handle for comfortable use. Versatility, suitable for a variety of leather thicknesses and types. Professional craftsmanship, enhances the aesthetic and durability of leather goods by preventing fraying and rough edges. Product 9. Product name Grandpa's Weeder. Grandpa's Weeder is a practical and ergonomic tool designed to make weed removal effortless without requiring bending, pulling, or kneeling. Featuring a long handle made from real bamboo and a durable four-claw steel head, this original stand-up weed puller efficiently extracts weeds from the root, making it ideal for gardeners looking for a convenient and eco-friendly solution. Given the user's interest in household tools, outdoor equipment, and practical gadgets, Grandpa's Weeder aligns well with their preference for efficient and high-quality products designed to simplify tasks, much like their interest in cordless leaf blowers, electric chainsaws, and other ergonomic tools. Product 10. Product name Spec Ops Tools 3-Piece Tool Set. The Spec Ops Tools 3-Piece Tool Set is a versatile and practical addition to any toolbox, especially for DIY enthusiasts, carpenters, and general home improvement projects. This set includes 3 essential tools, a 20 ounces nailing hammer, an 11-inch molding pry bar, and a 3-piece nail set. The hammer is designed for efficient nailing, while the pry bar helps with removing moldings or tackling tough tasks that require leverage. The nail set ensures precision when setting nails flush with surfaces. What sets Spec Ops Tools apart is its commitment to veterans, donating 3% of proceeds to support veterans programs, making it a meaningful purchase for those who want to contribute to a good cause. Whether for general construction, woodworking, or home repair, this set is built for durability and ease of use. Product 11. Product name 5-inch hook and loop backing pad. The 5-inch hook and loop backing pad with 50 pc sanding discs is a versatile tool designed for woodworking, sanding, buffing, and polishing applications. It features a 5-inch diameter with hook and loop backing, ensuring quick and easy attachment and removal of sanding discs. This set includes 50 sanding discs in various grit levels, 80, 120, 240, 320, and 600, making it ideal for different stages of sanding, from rough surface preparation to fine polishing. The backing pad is compatible with angle grinders and features a 5th of August 11 thread, making it a great fit for most power tools. The included sanding discs are made to work efficiently on wood, helping to smooth out surfaces, remove imperfections, and create a polished finish. Product 12. Product name MagMaster Magnetic Tool Holder. The MagMaster Magnetic Tool Holder is a versatile and robust magnetic tool holster designed to securely hold a variety of tools and hardware. This strong clip-on belt magnet is perfect for those who need to keep essential tools close at hand while working, whether it's screws, nails, a hammer, pliers, sockets, trowels, drill bits, wrenches, or any other magnetic tools. The holder attaches easily to your belt or workspace, offering hands-free convenience and easy access to your tools, making it an excellent solution for anyone involved in tasks like DIY projects, woodworking, automotive repairs, or construction work. The magnetic feature ensures that your tools stay in place even during movement, providing a practical and organized way to carry your equipment. This tool holder aligns well with the user's interest in efficient, handy solutions for home improvement, workspaces, or even specific interests like woodworking or DIY projects. Product 13. Product name Router Plane Handheld. A router plane handheld woodworking tool is an essential tool for precise woodworking, particularly when tuning joinery, cutting dados, grooves, and mortises. This handheld tool features a quick adjust depth mechanism, allowing woodworkers to easily set the desired cutting depth with accuracy. The inclusion of a depth stop ensures controlled cutting, preventing the blade from going too deep into the material, which is critical for achieving the right fit in woodworking joints. This tool is highly valued in tasks like smoothing edges and refining wood surfaces for fine craftsmanship. Its compact and ergonomic design enhances user control, making it ideal for detailed tasks that require a steady hand. Whether you're working on intricate joinery or general wood trimming, this router plane provides a versatile solution for achieving clean and precise cuts. Product 14. Product name WorkPad 12 Needles Compact Needle Scaler. The WorkPad 12 Needles Compact Needle Scaler is a high-performance pneumatic tool designed to effectively remove rust, paint, and other debris from various surfaces. It is equipped with 12 powerful needles that vibrate rapidly to provide efficient scaling, making it an ideal tool for automotive, construction, and heavy-duty maintenance work. The tool's compact design ensures maneuverability in tight spaces, allowing for precise work even in hard-to-reach areas. In the context of your previous interests in tools like the Works WX066 Sidekick Folding Work Table and the Blackcube for V cordless soldering iron, the WorkPad 12 Needles serves as a perfect addition for those who work with metal, wood, or other surfaces that require detailed surface preparation. Its pneumatic operation ensures high power while remaining lightweight, making it suitable for extended use in various environments, from woodworking shops to car maintenance. Product 15. Product name Wrench Extender Toolbar Set. The Wrench Extender and Wrench Extender Toolbar Set is an essential tool for improving leverage and reaching difficult fasteners during mechanical or automotive work. The set includes a half-drive wrench extender and a 13.5 extension wrench, designed to give extra length to your wrench, allowing you to access tight or hard-to-reach spaces more easily. This toolbar set enhances the effectiveness of your ratchet or wrench, enabling users to apply more torque without straining themselves. Ideal for use in automotive repairs, home improvement projects, or heavy-duty mechanical tasks, the wrench extender adds versatility to your existing toolset, especially for those who often work with stubborn or rusted fasteners. The 1/2 drive is a common size for professional-grade work, and the 13.5 extension offers a good balance between maneuverability and torque application. Product 16. Product name King Tool 325-piece Home Repair Tool Kit. The King Tool 325-piece Home Repair Tool Kit is a comprehensive and versatile toolbox designed for general home and auto repairs. This tool set offers an extensive selection of 325 pieces, including a variety of hand tools and accessories, making it ideal for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and handymen alike. Whether you're tackling home improvement projects, vehicle maintenance, or small repairs, this kit covers everything you need for a wide range of tasks. The set is organized in a sturdy toolbox with a drawer for easy access to your tools, keeping everything neatly stored and well arranged. Its contents include essential tools like screwdrivers, pliers, wrenches, hammers, tape measures, sockets, and much more. With high-quality construction, the tools are built for durability and reliability, ensuring they can handle daily use for various repair needs. Product 17. Product name DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw. The DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw, model DCS391B, is a powerful and reliable tool designed for precision and performance in a variety of cutting tasks. It features a 6 to 1/2 inch blade and a 460 MWO engine, delivering the necessary power for both tough and intricate cuts. The saw offers a 0 to 50 degree bevel capability, allowing for versatile angle adjustments to suit different project needs. As a bare tool, it is ideal for those who already own DeWalt's compatible 20V Max batteries, making it an excellent choice for users looking to expand their tool collection without duplicating batteries. This circular saw is perfect for woodworking, home improvement, and general construction projects, delivering clean, smooth cuts with its durable design. Whether trimming, framing, or performing other cutting tasks, its compact size and lightweight nature enhance portability, making it easy to maneuver and control. Given its strong motor and versatile bevel range, the DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw is a reliable addition to any toolbox. Product 18. Product name Electric Spin Scrubber. The electric spin scrubber is a versatile and efficient cleaning tool designed to make tough cleaning tasks easier and faster. This cordless cleaning brush features a digital display for easy operation and offers 2 adjustable speed settings to tackle various cleaning needs with precision. The scrubber comes with 8 interchangeable brush heads, each tailored for specific tasks, including scrubbing bathrooms, tubs, tiles, showers, and even cars. It's equipped with an IPX7 waterproof rating, ensuring durability even in wet environments, making it perfect for cleaning surfaces that come in contact with water. The adjustable long handle allows users to clean hard-to-reach areas without bending or straining, enhancing comfort and effectiveness. This makes the electric spin scrubber an excellent choice for users looking for a high-performance cleaning tool to tackle tough grime in multiple areas, including your bathroom and vehicle, with ease and efficiency.